Hi, I'm Ali and welcome to my lovely vegan kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this pile of apples into this lovely applesauce using my Instapot. If this is something you're interested in, please keep watching. So first, of course, you need some apples. It can be any type of apples. You just need about 3 pounds, which is about 1.5 kilos. Next we're gonna give them a quick rinse. Now it's time to peel them. Oh no, stop! There's no need to peel. Just get rid of any imperfections or blemishes. I used the whole apple, including the skin. Disclaimer, my apples come from my garden, so I know that they are organic. If you're not sure whether your apples are organic or you're worried about any chemicals that are on the apples, then do peel them, but most of the goodness is in the skin, so I tend to keep it on. So I only cut any imperfections out, and then I chop the apple in half, and then in a quarter again, scoop out all the inside seeds, and that's it. So continue doing that until you have about 3 pounds, which is about 1.5 kilos of cored apples. It is a rather boring process, so it does help to have some music on. So even though it's a very boring job, I know it's very good to have this applesauce in your pantry. I use this applesauce not only for making apple cakes or apple pies, but also as a replacement for any fat in most of the cakes that I bake. This makes my cakes much more healthy and yummy. Don't forget to compost any scraps and offcuts. So once you finish coring all the apples and made sure that you've got about 3 pounds worth of them, put them in your Instapot. And please don't forget to hit the like button, it helps to spread the message. Pour 1/3 of a cup of water and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And that's it. Close the lid, set the timer on high pressure, pressure cook for 10 minutes, leave it alone till the pressure comes down naturally. It takes about 10 minutes to come to pressure, 10 minutes to cook and about 10 minutes to release the pressure. So overall about half an hour. You can also cook it on a traditional stove. Just have to add a little bit more water and keep mixing so you don't burn the pan. So once the pressure comes down, open the lid and check out the lovely applesauce that you've made. It may not look very appetizing at this point, but I can assure you it's very yummy. Take your handheld blender and blitz it till it's all pureed. If you found this video useful, please leave me a comment below. And that's it, I told you it's going to be easy, didn't I? Once it's cooled down, transfer to a suitable container and pop it in your freezer. And use it out of the freezer as and when needed. I usually defrost it overnight in my fridge. You can also defrost it directly in a pan on a medium heat or in the microwave. And then, as I said, use it in your cakes as a replacement for fat. You can even put it on your porridge. It doesn't need any extra sugar, it's delicious as it is. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, there's lots more coming up. Join me in the next video where I'm going to show you how to do an apple charlotte with the applesauce we've just made. Thank you for watching, bye!